Yo, my guy.
Hey, what's good, bro?
The fuck is going on?
Buddy, we're fucking tearing this thing out. What do you mean? Engine and transmission's coming out of here.
Pulling the 2J.
I'm in the middle of fucking twisting this O2 sensor out. Like I just pulled it out.
Nice. What did you do so far?
Not much. Like I just started from this side, took the intake out, fucking unbolted the battery, and started peeling away at the harness on this side.
Nice.
Just disconnecting shit, man. Just fucking figuring out how to unplug each one of these plastic plugs because they're like all different.
Anything break yet?
No.
Everything's golden.
We're good.
We're good. So far we're good.
So far.
Can't complain.
Be careful with it. I think that's the worst part is unclipping the wire harness.
That's the hardest, most time consuming.
Well, that's the part I least enjoy, that's for sure. What are you saying? I like your new camera.
Fucking scene.
Fucking lit.
You look good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you
see
look
how
good.
I look in Final Cut?
Yeah. Everything looks nice and crisp. I'm just chilling, man. Came to fucking give you a hand and record documentation.
Update the channel.
That's it.
VVTi 2JZ GE on its way out. We got an LS1 and a T56 ready to come in. Already got my swap kit in the trunk of the car and the engine and transmission in the back of the garage, and car's going to the shop in a week or two. Start the swap and should be gravy. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Let's go check out that fucking. Let's go check out some parts quick.
You wanna go check out the parts?
Let's go check out parts quick.
See what we can pull out. Oh, watch out.
Oh, no.
My battery's disconnected. We need a light. Phones? We have phones, right? Yeah, that's good. But if you can get a good view of this. Bro, I got fucking my oil pan kit. Oil pan's over here. The 04 GTO oil pan modified to clear the subframe on the IS300. I got LS headers to fit in the IS300. It's even got room for the steering shaft to go right through.
Right there, yeah? That's what that bend is?
Yeah. It's not in this side. Oh, this is the driver's side header. And then you got engine mounts, of course. Check these Johnnies out.
Fucking around. Look at those welds.
Yeah. Driver's side.
That's dope.
Yeah. Fucking engine mounts. We got tons of shit, boys. Look, I even got like a wire harness that I don't know what the fuck to do with. But throttle cable. We got like clutch hydraulics. We got trans mounts somewhere. We got upper and lower rad hoses.
Trans mounts in here?
Yeah, it's probably over there.
Yeah,
we got clamps.
That's the tranny mount right here?
This is the trans mount.
Fucking done.
That's actually the oil pan. Or no, the oil filter mount.
So
the oil filter screws
false alarm? False alarm!
But that's the trans mount.
Is it?
Yeah.
Pull it out. Yo, fucking brick of gold.
Yeah. So
sexy.
It's supposed to sit on like the OEM transmission cross member. This just fucking bolts
that's blessed, eh? That's
right to the
blessed.
T56. And it's got hardware too. No. Yeah, hardware. Fucking mint. All that's missing is a drive shaft, which I will get made. And I don't know, the rest of the exhaust. And obviously I'm going to upgrade the rad and the fans and whatever else I need to get this thing running mint. Rad hose.
Yeah, pull out the fucking oil pan.
Look, we got the dipstick right here.
It's high tech, man.
Legit.
Cool, nice. Nip. Pull out that fucking tip right there.
Yeah, it's alright.
Get this oil pan. See what's going on. Holy fucking oil pan.
That's it.
Alright, bring it in the light. This is the fucking piece right here.
So, modified Pontiac GTO oil pan.
See the flaps on the inside? The freaking barricades, whatever they call them?
The trap.
The trap.
Yeah, it's there. The flap. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's no way pulling this thing will be harder than pulling the LS out of the Camaro. It was fucked. Like, I don't think anything will be tougher than that was.
That was a big car to work on.
You should have seen us pulling it out though. Everything about it was just fucking sketch.
Everything, eh?
It was fuck. Like, I'm surprised we pulled it out that day. I was like, wow, we actually did it. The crane wouldn't fucking reach out enough, and it was just like, it was rough. Yo, that was my 10 mil. That was my fucking last 10 mil left. Are you serious? That was my fucking 10 millimeter.
I didn't hear it hit the floor.
No, I don't see it either.
What's up?
Help me find my 10 millimeter right now. Dude, I'm dead fucking serious, bro. My last 10 millimeter, I just dropped it in the engine bay. I can't find it.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not, dude. This legit happened. I've been looking for 20 minutes.
Hold on. You're not kidding. You're actually out of 10 millimeter.
Yeah. I feel like it's gone forever though.